how to find Discord two-factor authentication backup codes. In this video, I'm going to show you where to find your 2FA backup codes for Discord. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And if you're trying to find this in the mobile app on your iPhone or Android phone, check the description because I have a separate tutorial going over that. To get started, open up the Discord app on your computer or navigate to Discord within the web browser. Once you get it open, go down, select the gear for user settings next to your username down there, and then select My Account. Once you get to My Account, scroll down and select View Backup Codes. You'll need to re-enter your password for your account. Once you enter your password, they're going to send a verification code to your email. It'll be 8 characters. So enter that, and once you enter it, you'll see your backup codes shown to you. From here, just make sure you copy them and save them. And if you need to generate new backup codes, just select Generate New Backup Codes here. And that's what I'll be doing after this tutorial. And that's how you find your backup codes for 2FA in Discord. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.